Yeah, we got to do something about this. Yeah, we got to do something about this. All right, so what I want to do is I want to create a flat box here in the trunk to kind of take the verticality out of this. So we're going to head over to Home Depot and we're going to see what they got. So we're here at Lowe's. We're getting the wood for the box for the trunk. Hopefully that'll be enough. We'll see. I got wood glue. I just need to go get some hinges and we should be good. Maybe these. That should work, hopefully. We'll find out. All right, we just got out and we're gonna head on home to put this thing together. Hopefully it works as planned. We'll see. All right, and here we are. We are back home. We're gonna start measuring, cutting, doing whatever. This isn't gonna be any fancy box or anything. This is gonna be a really simple box. Create a box about yay big. And these two pieces right here were not long enough to cover the whole box, so I'm gonna have to mark and cut right here. Gonna cut, gonna glue, and I got my 18 gauge brad nailer right here with what I hope will go through the entirety of the board to secure it. I have other nails. They're 2 inches, but in my experience, they don't work well with this brad nailer right here. They just bend up and all that stuff. So I don't know if my brad nailer doesn't have enough power or if these are just garbage, but those ones work great, so we'll try to get by with those first. Then we'll try the 2-inch ones if these aren't long enough. Worst case, we'll just have to go buy some new ones. Alrighty, let's get to it. So here's the problem when it comes to buying cheaper wood. These are all exactly the same so far as per the measurements when you buy it. These are more or less the same, give or take a millimeter. You have your variances right there. Of course, I don't have the steadiest of hands either. But remember, these are all the same. Nothing's been cut. This wood is exactly how you buy it. More or less perfect right here. Short by a good 3 millimeters here. And take this one. So what that means is you can't just base it off of one side. You have to do each side individually. So I'm going to have to measure it again and cut it again.
I feel like if they were obviously coming out.
Need a reload. Finally got the backfire fixed. The nail gun jammed, and it's quite a bit of effort to get that thing unjammed and working again, but it's back online. Now we gotta finish the front, so alright. As you can see, it all fits in there now. It'll all go in there. Alright, so now we can start to put stuff in here. Hopefully we can fit everything that was in over there in here. So we'll see. Alright, so we more or less have everything that we're going to keep in the car here in the container now. So I got my torque wrench, first aid kit, emergency umbrella, some matches, some first aid stuff there. And I got my knee pads and everything for rollerblading, softball mitt, charger to jump start, and some other various odd ends and items. But that's more or less it. Everything that's not in there, or everything that's still here, will not be returning to the car because it's either not mine or it should be here in the house. So I'm gonna clean up the trunk quite a bit. I'm gonna get rid of some of the stuff here. These are Sheila's. That's pretty much it. It took a little bit longer than I thought, and I think I'm still gonna add some sort of like thingy, lever, whatever, to make it easier to open. Might even consider adding some locks so it could be more like a locked storage. So alrighty, that's pretty much it. Now I gotta clean the garage. All the tools and stuff. Good times. Alright, and this is the way that we went. Alrighty, that's pretty much it. Might add some sort of bumpers here if it's bumping. We'll see though. Alrighty, catch ya.